Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Kia. It could be almost any Kia guys. And if you actually hear a noise coming from the back, from the rear of your Kia, the noise sound kind of like humming, grinding or growling noise guys. And it usually increases with speed and then it can be gone. But eventually you start hearing it at lower speeds as well. Stay with us, we'll explain what can cause that and why it's important to fix it as soon as you can. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. For any of you that need to buy any parts, tools and save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So this is a Kia Optima suspension, but many Kias will incorporate that design. You have guys, okay, on the Kia, a wheel bearing. Wheel bearing on most new Kias is part with the wheel hub. That's the wheel hub assembly with the bearing. Bearing is integrated, and you have the ABS. Okay, the ABS attachment here for the ABS sensor, so it can read if the wheel is moving. So it can control the ABS for that specific wheel, and the engine computer, okay, will be able to, the traction computer will be able to figure this thing out and actually, okay, release the valves, okay, in the valve body, the traction control valve body or not. Now, if you guys start hearing noise, humming noise at higher speeds, usually maybe 50 to 60 miles an hour, and that noise guys, sometimes at higher speeds, really high speeds, you may not notice it because of the wind and stuff. The vehicle gets a little bit louder and more road noise, but that humming noise is usually caused by a failing wheel bearing. Okay, sometimes you need to check your brake pads and make sure as well, but very common will be wheel bearing. Eventually, the more you drive it, the noise will get louder and you'll start noticing it at lower speeds as well, and it can turn into, instead of humming, more like grinding, growling noise guys, that will be coming from the wheel bearing. That can lead to actually developing play and failing wheel bearing, which can be catastrophic and you can get in an accident. And when you develop a play, the car will be unstable and you'll start putting uneven wear on the tire as well. So wheel bearing that you have play, it's a no-no, never drive it. If you suspect you have a better wheel bearing, fix it as soon as you can. If you want to see how to do it on Kia Optima, we have the video on the channel and it will teach you step by step how to do that. But yeah, if you have humming, grinding noise, growling noise, that will be very common. Now, if you remove the wheel, you can actually turn that bearing, and if it feels nice and smooth, okay, you can definitely feel it. Probably, okay, you can tell if it's bad by, you'll feel kind of like choppy, okay, you'll be cutting a little bit when turning, and it will not be nice and smooth. Also check for play as well. Sometimes it's hard to diagnose them, but if you have a noise coming at higher speed, check the wheel bearings. Also, in some cases, it may be a tire that's worn, okay, unevenly, okay, that can cause it as well. But if you have new tires and nothing else left, check the wheel bearings. It could be that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.